Hello everyone, welcome to another t-shirt design tutorial. So today I am going to make a Christmas t-shirt design because it's time for start designing for Christmas. So in this one I am going to give you a proper guideline how to start. So before starting a design you need to get a good message. So this is the message I am using here. Dear Santa, bring me wine. Sorry, just bring wine. So this is the message I am going to use here, and for finding that you can search like this, you can search like funny Christmas quotes, you will find a tons of designs, and then you have to search like this. Whichever message you are going to design, you can search that message. You will see different tons of different style designs, you can get ideas from them. And then you will search like, you can search like Christmas element. So this is free pick, and I'm going to use this element bundle here to make this design, and this is completely free. You will get a tons of different free element in free pick for using in your design. And then you will need some font. So for fonts I'm using 1001fonts.com. This is a good website. The reason I'm using this one is you can search any font. Like here I am searching for Christmas, but I can check that you can see this is a non-commercial font. That means this font is free for personal use only. But I can click on this icon here, and that will show me all the font that is free for commercial use also. So you can take any font from here to use in your design. And I am going to use this one, sweet and sticky. This font I will be using here. So this is the font, sweet bless. This is the name of that font. So that is the one I'm going to use. Okay, sorry. So sweet and sticky, this is the font I wanted to use. And then okay, no problem. Sweet and bless also was looking good. So that's not a problem. So this is the font, and then I will be using this sweet and sticky. That is also good. So this is the font I'm going to use in my this design. This is a Christmas design, so I wanted to use a Christmas related font. That is two font I will be using, and these are some graphics like a wine glass and a wine bottle. You can just search like wine glass silhouettes. You will find the thousands of different style images. You can just trace one because this is not something copyrighted, so you can simply use them. So that is the thing you will need for making a design. This is just an idea to see how it can be, or it is the idea that I wanted to share with you guys, that this Santa and the wine, these two are my focus words. So I will just keep them focus, and these two will be my supportive text. So let's start the design process. You got the font, you got the graphics, and then got the message also. So this Santa one I will be using this font, but I want to make it bit bigger in size. Maybe I will not. Okay, I don't know whose font is going to look good. Maybe this one. But this A is not looking like A, it is looking like Q. So let's not use that. Now in a font, I can simply select a text by pressing Shift T, or you can go to type tool and then touch type tool, select that. If there is an alternate version of that font, it will show up here. So I think this is looking better. So this is my Santa text here, and then this is the wine text. I will be using this for my this area. Maybe I can change some of this font. Okay, there is not very much good alternatives of them, but don't worry, that is fine. So this is how my design is going to look, and for this one I will be using this sweet bliss, because these two I just wanted to keep in a smaller size, and just like this. So not that one, using this one. So this is the position of my text I am going to use here, and here I want to, this is a very simple design you can see, but I wanted to use some Christmas element. I don't want it to make this much basic SVG style design. I wanted to make it a elemental design, so that's why I will be using these elements from here, and I will be using these colors too, because this is how I wanted to create this one. So I'm going to take some of these elements from here. This lighting, I have another video of last year using this same graphics bundle. You can watch that too. So I think that is fine. I'm not going to use too many elements here, but I will just use some. So here is the element that I'm going to use. Anyway, so first step is I'll need to create some space for my design. So this is how it is going to look right now. You can see I can select them and then align in the center position. I can break them because I don't want them to act like a font. So this is how it is going to look right now. And for this DR1, let's create some effect on this. So maybe I will use arch effect or arc effect. Maybe I don't know. Yeah, arc is looking good, not bad at all. So let's create a brush here, custom brush. I'm going to use this ellipse as my brush. No fill, sorry, no stroke, only fill. And then I will be using that as a custom brush. Art brush, click OK. So that is fine. Let's delete this one. So I am going to create a area here just like this, but that's too much. Something like that, and then another one here. So this is just to, okay, maybe not like that. You can also use your pen tool, you can use your curvature tool. This curve is really, it need to maintain the ratio, so that is fine. Then click on this brush and this is good. So let's use it in the center position, and then I'm going to expand it because of the effect that I applied on that. That is fine. Let's group it. So this is my first group of the text here. Now that is fine, but here I will need to put some graphics. I get some area for the graphics. So let's say I'm going to use this one here. In this way, that is fine. Then maybe this lighting, sorry, this lighting group, I can use it here. I don't want to make it too much elemental, but I will use some of these graphics here. Okay, that area is fine. Then I'm going to use this one using that arch effect, not that much, just a tiny bit. And then maybe I will just bring it close to that. That is also fine. Again, I am going to use my curvature tool just to create a shape like this. Then press Alt and then create another copy of that. That is fine. Let's select these three, align them anyway. So I applied the effect on this, so I need to expand that. That is fine. Let's select these three, align them center wise, and then distribute the space. So this is how it is looking. Let's bring it a bit down. That is fine. Something like this. Then group it. I want to select these three and then make this the key object to align it with my that text. That is completely fine. Just bring wine. So this one I will just make it a bit close to each other, but here it is overlapping a bit. So let's select the wine text and create a offset path. Maybe that is 10 pixel is good. Cut it. I'm going to select this group, open transparency, and then press Ctrl F. So this is how it is looking. Don't worry. And that is also fine. Let's use some of these. Okay, maybe I'm not, I can make it a bit smaller in size because I have another idea that I can simply use that Christmas tree here, and I want to make it a bit bigger in size, not very small, something like this. That is fine. And this is another element, so let's just use it somewhere. So that is fine. Also, I want to use that wine glass and the wine bottle that I bring. So maybe I will need to make it a bit smaller in size just to make some area here. And then I don't need this offset path inside the transparency. So let's delete that, and that is fine. This is the Christmas design, so I wanted to use this Christmas element. That is totally cool. And then this one here, okay, then I will need this one. Just like this. So that is fine. I can select this wine text, the W of the wine, then I can make it smaller. So that is fine, don't worry. And now Okay, maybe not that one. This wine is important, not those element here. So if I am going to use elements, I will be using this. So that is good. Now for the rest of the area that you can see here, you can just simply bring in any smaller object you want. Like here I want to bring a small shape like that. That is fine. That use one here. So this is a rounded rectangle. I'm going to make a copy and then I'm going to place it there. That is fine. Let's bring on here. Okay guys, so that much look is looking good. Let's not make it too many elemental. Okay, so that much is fine. This is the final design for this one, but I need to change the colors so that I can make it visible on top of any color I want. So I am going to use another element that is this color. So I want to make it three color design. One color is the red, this Christmas red. One is this yellow, and then this color, this darker blue color. You can see I don't want that. I want that to be this color because that color will be invisible on black. Let me show you. So if I take a black background here and send that to back, it is going to look like this. And I am not very happy with that. So let's delete this. First step is I need to group it all. Control G to group. I am going to cut this one. Then if I double click here, I am inside this group. So whatever now I will do here, it is going to affect this. Whatever inside this group. So I'm going to select this with my magic wand tool. Okay, that is not working. And then the easiest way is create a rectangle. Pick any color you want, then select that rectangle, go to select same and then fill color. It is going to select everything that is in that fill color. Let's take eyedropper to click here, and you can see this is how easily you can change those colors. So that is fine. So here was some element that is missing right now, but that let's not worry about that. So let's delete this one. And this Santa one I want to make it red color. This wine I want to make it this color. Just bring, I want to make it that color. So dear Santa, just bring wine. And that is fine. So let's make it this color maybe. This one I want to make it red. Then if I select this one, then go to again select same fill color. It is going to select everything. I am going to make that red. So that is the red I wanted to create for this area. That is fine. And you can see this is how my design is looking right now. Let's cut it so that I can select everything else and delete and paste it here. I'm going to align that with my artboard just like this. So this is how my design is going to look. So this is the final design for this one guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed or learned something new from this one, let me know in the comment section. That will be really inspiration for me because I want to get your feedback. If you are learning from my videos, it is important for me to know that my work is helping others. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope I will get your feedback on this one. If you didn't understand any part, you can comment. I will try to reply them. And thank you for watching my videos again. See you in the next video guys. Have a great time.